I wasn't going to do any more video on the way back. That it's just walking back over the area that I've been through. But I did take a little bit of a different way back, and I came across one I'm breaking out the video for. This is actually really cool, and it ties the Philippines in with Rochester in an odd way. There was a memorial that I wanted to stop and see what it was, and it's to honor the veterans of the Spanish-American War, the Philippine insurrection, and the China Relief Expedition from 1898 to 1902. But it's actually kind of a cool statue. Lighting's not the greatest. I'm gonna have to come back with Cindy. And show her this one. But this is actually pretty cool. I was gonna go around the other side, but it's just facing the sun, so I don't think it's gonna get any better picture. But that's actually pretty cool. I was kind of surprised to find something like that here. That's neat. Okay, I guess this does deserve some video. That they've got a really neat painting here, mural, going back up, showing the canal's heyday. And as soon as I get away from there, as soon as they leave, that I'll go over there and check that out. But yeah, you can see there's been a lot of taggers. Now I see how they're getting down in here. Very interesting place. The old Erie Canal. A little dry right now, but interesting. The library building. Plaque that tells about it all. I'll have to see if I can freeze frame and blow that up a little bit. This is actually very cool. And here we are back at street level. And that's the building I'm going to right there. But this is that bridge we walked across a little bit ago, so I'm gonna turn this off till I get back to the hotel.